Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. And this is Somali lesson. We do want to cover this lesson about family members. So I will start parents. And Somalis have very extended family members, and there is some also difference compared to the English. Um, I think I might not have all of them here, but inshallah I will cover in the next lesson. Parents, hoyo, hoyo, mother, abe, father, ader, uncle from the father's side, abti, uncle, also in English is uncle from mother's side, edu, aunt from father's side, habaryar, aunt from mother's side, ayeyo, grandmother, awowe, grandfather. And if you do pay attention, these words, Somali, and it's like Spanish. The words, all the words, has either it's a masculine or feminine. So pay attention. But if, for example, if you are saying my mother, you will say hoyaday, hoyaday, or abe, abahay, ader, aderkay, abti, abtikay, edu, eduday, habaryar, habaryartay, ayeyu, ayeyaday. You will add a y. I believe most of them you will add y, and so there are 8 of them. This, the, ha, ka, ga, da, ta, da. It's 8 of them. It's an article, but I will go in the future. So the first lesson in Somali, don't worry about the grammar. Kind of a little bit different, and also it's difficult when you think as a grammar, but don't think grammar. Try to learn words and try to use the sentence, and eventually you will learn grammar, how to say it. And also there's no many books that you can learn in Somali grammar. Even I myself, I don't have it. It's very small, number of books that you can find available, very old ones especially. So but we will learn it. So but don't try to learn more grammar. Every time in a language, if you focus in a grammar, you may confused at the beginning. But okay, hoyo, mother, abe, father, ader, uncle, abti, uncle from mother's side, abti from mother's side, edu, aunt, habaryar, aunt, ayeyo, grandmother, awowe. The reason that I do bring, the family member first to the parent, kind of culture of Somalian people, they do respect the young for the old, and also parents is very important of family members. So mother or father or auntie, uncle, very important in the family, all of them. So that's why we put them first, and then we will go next. Walal, walal, walal. Walal, it's a brother, and walal also you can use a sister, but there is a difference when you want to make it masculine or feminine. Walalkay, my brother, walashay, my sister, or walasha. If you add another a here, it will be like walalsha, your sister. Just you will add a here. Let me check a here. That means walal, walal, and that l he will take it out. The and the l, walasha, your sister. And also if you add a here, walalka, your brother, walalkay, my brother, walalkay, my brother. So this is a very important when you're learning, I mean, every word in Somali. Also you should learn, I mean, which article it should take, whether K or Sha or whatever. Okay, and here it's like wa walalkay, wa walalkay, wa walalkay, he's my brother. Wa walalkay, he's my brother. Wa walashay, she's my sister. Wa walashay. Abuwi, abuwi also it's a brother. Abayo, sister. And usually the difference between abuwi and walal, and there is a couple of others ways that you can say in Somali, but this is the two major ones. Most of the southern people, they use abuwi or abayo, while most of the northern people, they use walal. So but it's both Somali, and I think there is some others like bayo, which is also another way that you can say sister or brother. I didn't cover all of them here, but in inshallah the next lesson we will cover some more of family members, cousins, nephews, and things like that. Will, it's a this will, it's a boy, also son. Gabar, girl or daughter. Wiilkayga, my son. Wiil Somali ah, Somali boy. So the word wiil, it means boy, also it means son. If I say to you, well, wiilkayga, that will be my son. If I say wiil Somali ah, Somali boy. Gabad, gabar, gabad. I say gabad, but there is a gabar here. So there's two ways that you can write in the word girl, either the end R or DH. Gabat, gabat, gabar, both same, but it's a you can write it both ways. Girl or daughter. Wiilkayga, my son. Wiil Somali ah, Somali boy. Gabadhayda, my daughter. Gabar Somali ah, Somali girl. So next. Okay, waxaan jeclahay hooyaday. Waxaan jeclahay hooyaday. I love my mother. Waan jeclahay hooyaday. Yeah, waan jeclahay hooyaday. I love my mother. Jacayl or jacayl, it's love. Lahay, hay. Somali, usually the change, it happens the end of the word. Like for example, this word was child, then lahay, love. So it's here where it makes the change. Waan jeclahay hooyaday. Waan jeclahay hooyaday. I love my mother. Aabahay wuxuu ka shaqeeyaa shaqo adag. My father works a very difficult job. Aabahay wuxuu ka shaqeeyaa shaqo adag. Eedaday wayna soo salaantaa. My aunt greets us, or my aunt visits us. Salaan means greeting. It's an Arabic word, but also it's adapted. Eedaday, my aunt wayna soo salaantaa. She visits us or she greets us. Habaryartay waan jeclahay. I love my aunt. Habaryar, remember, habaryar is the aunt from the mother side. Habaryartay waan jeclahay. I love my aunt. Okay, so go back, read it. The next one also I will cover cousin and nephew, things like that. But take it easy. If you do have a question, let me know. Thank you. Bye.